Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to use screen time on your iPhone or iPad. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Apple Screen Time lets you set usage limits and track device activity. So in this video we'll learn how to set up screen time on iPhone and iPad. To use the screen time feature, you need to enable it first. Typically, your iPhone prompts you to turn it on during the device setup. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone and iPad. Scroll down, tap Screen Time. Here tap App and Website Activity and select Turn on App and Website Activity. And you're done. Now I'll tell you how to create screen time passcode. A passcode ensures only you or an authorized person can modify screen time settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Screen Time, scroll down, tap Lock Screen Time Settings, enter a passcode, retype to confirm the passcode. If prompted, enter your Apple ID email address or phone number for passcode recovery. Tap OK in the top right corner to save it, and you're done. Now I'll tell you how to use screen time on iPhone or iPad. Now, since you have enabled app and website activity tracking on your iPhone, let's see how to check your screen time on your iPhone and set limits. Screen time provides a detailed weekly report that provides insights into your iPhone usage. For this, open Settings, scroll down, go to Screen Time, tap See All App and Website Activity. Now you can view the detailed usage data. And you're done. Now I'll tell you how to set daily time limits for apps and websites. If you find yourself spending too much time on certain apps, setting daily time limits can help you regain control. Here's how to do it. For this, go to Settings app, go to Screen Time, select App Limits, tap Add Limit, enter your screen time passcode, select app categories or individual apps from the drop-down. You can also add limits on websites. Tap the app you want to set limit to. Tap Next to proceed. Set the desired time limit and days. You may toggle on block at the end of limit to make the app unusable after the time limit is reached. Finally, tap Add. And you're done. Now I'll tell you how to schedule time away from screen with downtime. If you're planning to cut down on your or your child's time, you can turn on downtime. It lets you schedule specific times when only essential apps and calls are allowed, encouraging you to disconnect and focus on other activities. For this, go to Settings, go to Screen Time, tap Downtime, enter screen time passcode, toggle on scheduled, and tap time to set start and end times. Hit done and save it. I scheduled downtime from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. to limit screen usage before bed. You can also set it for particular days by tapping customize days. And you're done. Next, I'm going to tell you how to allow apps and contacts for all time. For this, open the Settings app, go to Screen Time, go to Always Allowed. You will see a list of installed apps. Tap the plus screen icon next to the apps you want to allow all the time. Enter the screen time passcode to confirm it. To remove an app from the allowed list, tap the minus icon next to it and tap Remove. To manage contacts, tap Contacts at the top. By default, it is set as everyone. However, you can limit calls by tapping specific contacts. Select Choose from my contacts. Select the contact and tap Done. And you are done. Now I'm going to tell you how to enable content and privacy restrictions. For this, go to Settings, go to Screen Time, select Content and Privacy Restrictions, toggle on Content and Privacy Restrictions, enter screen time passcode, Go through each section and configure restrictions for apps, services, and content. Tap the appropriate option and choose allow changes or don't allow changes, and you are done. I hope this video helped you using screen time on your iPhone and iPad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.